Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another valuable coin story that could be sitting right in your pocket change. Today we're talking about a coin that many men between 55 and 65 years old remember clearly. A coin that may have passed through your hands at gas stations, grocery stores, hardware shops, and diners. The 1974 D Jefferson Nickel. At first glance, it looks ordinary, just 5 cents. But as every experienced collector knows, sometimes the most common-looking coins carry the most surprising potential. The 1974 D Jefferson Nickel was struck at the Denver Mint during a time when America was facing economic pressure, inflation, and uncertainty. Many people were holding on to their savings, watching every dollar. Coins from this era were heavily used in circulation. They were carried in pockets, dropped into vending machines, stacked in jars, and forgotten in drawers. That heavy circulation makes high-quality surviving examples much harder to find today. This nickel features the familiar portrait of Thomas Jefferson on the obverse. The design, created by Felix Schlag, had already become a classic by 1974. On the reverse, you'll see Monticello, Jefferson's Virginia home. But what makes the 1974 D special is not just the design. It's the condition, the strike quality, and certain mint characteristics that separate an ordinary 5-cent coin from a collector's treasure. In 1974, the Denver Mint produced hundreds of millions of nickels. Because of the large mintage, many people assume they are all common and worthless beyond face value. That assumption is exactly why valuable examples still hide in circulation and old collections. When a coin is considered common, fewer people preserve them carefully. As a result, finding one in pristine condition becomes much more difficult decades later. Now let's talk about what serious collectors look for. First, condition is everything. A 1974 D nickel in circulated condition is worth only a small premium, if any. But when you find one in uncirculated condition, especially with strong luster and sharp details, the value increases dramatically. The steps of Monticello on the reverse are especially important. Collectors call it full steps. If the steps at the base of Monticello are fully visible and sharply defined without major interruptions, the coin becomes far more desirable. Full steps nickels from the 1970s are not easy to find. Many coins from that period were weakly struck. Dies were down quickly due to heavy production demands. That means most 1974 D nickels show incomplete steps. But when a sharply struck example surfaces with full steps and minimal marks, it grabs attention immediately. Another factor is mint errors. The 1974 D series includes examples with striking errors, die cracks, off-center strikes, and other unusual features. Error coins always add excitement to the hobby. For collectors who have been searching for decades, finding a genuine mint error in pocket change still feels like winning the lottery. Men in the 55 to 65 age group often tell stories about collecting coins as children. Many remember searching through rolls of nickels, hoping to find something special. The beauty of a 1974 D nickel is that it reconnects you with that same thrill. It reminds you that value is not always obvious. Sometimes patience and knowledge turn ordinary change into something meaningful. Another important detail is grading. Professional grading can make a significant difference in value. A coin graded at a high mint state level, such as MS66 or above, becomes scarce. The higher the grade, the fewer coins qualify. Tiny scratches, bag marks, or dull luster can lower a coin's grade dramatically. That is why carefully preserved examples stand apart from the rest. Let's also consider the historical context. In 1974, the United States was adjusting to post-silver coinage years. Nickels were still made of a copper-nickel composition, unlike the wartime silver nickels of the 1940s. By this time, coin collecting had grown in popularity. Yet many collectors focused on older silver coins, overlooking modern issues like the 1974 D. That oversight created opportunity. That if you have jars of old coins at home, especially coins saved from the 1970s, this is your reminder to look closely. Use a magnifying glass. Check the mint mark under the year. Look at the steps of Monticello. Examine the surfaces under good lighting. Luster should appear smooth and reflective, not dull or worn. Even small details can make a big difference. What makes coin collecting powerful for many older collectors is not just money. It's memory. It's the feeling of holding history. The 1974 D nickel may have been minted more than 50 years ago, but it still connects us to that era. Every scratch tells a story of circulation. Every untouched, uncirculated coin tells a story of preservation. Some collectors specialize only in Jefferson nickels. They build complete date-and-mint sets. Within those sets, high-grade coins become the hardest pieces to secure. When demand meets limited top-quality supply, prices rise. That is how a 5-cent coin can transform into something much more significant. And here is the part many viewers wait for. While most 1974 D Jefferson nickels are worth only face value, exceptional high-grade examples with strong, full steps and near-perfect surfaces have sold for thousands of dollars. In top certified condition, one remarkable example has reached a value of $63.67. Yes, a coin originally worth 5 cents. That is why knowledge matters. That is why checking your coins matters. And that is why being part of the CoinZF community matters. Because we don't just look at coins. We look at potential. We look at details. We look at history through a collector's EYE.SO tonight. Before you ignore that old jar of change or that small box tucked away in your drawer, take a second look. The next valuable coin might already be in your possession. And if you enjoy discovering hidden value in everyday coins, make sure you stay connected. Subscribe to CoinZF, keep learning, and keep searching. Because sometimes the smallest coin can carry the biggest surprise.